Hello, this is Anthony Reed, Certified Hypnotist. Never listen to this recording while driving or operating heavy machinery, as this is a powerfully hypnotic recording and staying alive and safe is top priority. If you wish to participate in this hypnosis experience, please find yourself a nice, quiet place to listen and relax. You can sit in a chair or lie down on a bed. Either will do. But be sure you put down anything that may be in your hands and set your hands palms down on your lap. Thank you. Let's begin. Now take in a breath, let it out, and close your eyes. Now push down with your hands, pressing. Good. Now stop pressing, release and relax. 1, 2, 3. Now send that feeling of relaxation through your entire body, from your hands and arms to your chest, from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. 1, 2, 3. Now I'd like to have you lift both hands up just a bit, an inch or two, and just drop them down on your lap, plop, and go deeper, relaxed. Once again, push down hard with both hands, pressing. Good. Stop pressing. Release and relax. 1, 2, 3. Send that feeling of relaxation through your entire body. 1, 2, 3. And now once again, lift your hands up a couple of inches and drop them back down, plop, and go deeper. Go much deeper. And now, gently rock your head back and forth in a relaxing and comfortable way, and relax your neck, relax your face and jaw, and now stop rocking your head and relax further. One more time, send that feeling of relaxation all the way down to your feet. 1, 2, 3. In a moment, I'm going to have you repeat the words deeper, relaxed, silently within yourself so that no one else will hear you. When you do this, say them to yourself softly and slowly, putting about half the amount of effort into each repetition. As you are doing this, I'll say the words, relaxing more and more, fading away to nothing, just a few times. After a few repetitions, you can relax mentally and maybe even relax them out of your mind. Now begin repeating, deeper, relaxed, silently to yourself, slowly putting about half the amount of effort into each time. Begin. Relaxing more and more, fading away to nothing, relaxing more and more. fading away to nothing, nothing, nothing. Relaxing more and more, fading away to nothing, nothing, nothing. Relaxing more and more, fading away to nothing, nothing, nothing. Good. Now as I count from 1 down to 5, let it be as if you could double this mental and physical relaxation. 1, relaxing much further. 2, relaxing more and more with each breath that you exhale. 3, feeling safe, secure, and attending only to the sound of my voice. 4, deeper and deeper relaxed, as if all you care about now is just how much deeper you can go. And 5, as your body relaxes, your mind relaxes, and your body relaxes much further still. In a moment, I'm going to relax you more completely. In a moment, I'm going to begin counting backwards from 10 to 1. The moment I say the number 10, you will, in your mind's eye, see yourself at the top of a small set of stairs. The moment I say the number 9, in each additional number, you will simply move down those stairs, relaxing more completely. At the base of the stairs is a large feather bed with a comfortable feather pillow. The moment I say the number 1, you will simply sink into that bed, resting your head on that feather pillow. Number 10, eyes closed at the top of those stairs. 10, 9, relaxing and letting go. 8, sinking into a more comfortable, calm, peaceful position. 7, stair number 6, going way down. 5, moving down those stairs, relaxing more completely. 4, 3, breathe in deeply now. 2, on the next number, number 1, simply sinking into that bed, becoming more calm, more peaceful, more deeply relaxed. 1, sinking into that feather bed now, let every muscle go limp and loose as you sink into a more calm, peaceful state of relaxation and trance. You're filled with expectations, expecting to be successful, expecting to accomplish whatever you put your mind on. you realize there's no such thing as failure, only feedback. You may find ways that things don't work out, but that simply steer you in the right direction. Look at it as a process of elimination. Failure only exists to those who quit. And you're a winner, so it doesn't pertain to you. Winners win. You now follow through in finishing whatever you start. You know that you'll succeed. You look at all of your tasks as new tasks, new experiences that you approach with excitement. That you can focus 100% of your intention on them, accomplishing to completion. Doing this gives you great satisfaction. Whenever you take on a new project or even an old existing one, you look forward to it with the eyes of a child, with curiosity and excitement, anxious to get to it and do it. Children have no fear of failure. They're curious, excited, and give their all in everything they do. They play hard, they work hard, they enjoy new challenges, and now you find yourself looking at things the same way. You too are developing this childlike quality in your life. You're doing this because you want to. You're excited to attempt things for the first time. You're excited to succeed. You expect to succeed, and therefore you do. You now approach success with curiosity, excitement, and willingness. You're happy to succeed and welcome it with open arms. You're changing your way of thinking and becoming a more positive person because you want to. When someone asks how you are, you'll say, "Wonderful." You know that if you think you're wonderful, then you are wonderful. You're able to replace every negative thought with one that's positive. You feel empowered with this new ability. You use words that describe your positive power and energy like happy, thoughtful, kind, gracious, independent, helpful, honest, dependable, and intelligent. Being positive helps you look at the world in a different light. You're now positive in all things. You want to be positive. Things seem to go your way more often, and you attract positive to you when you're being positive. Positive people like to be around other positive people, helping you attract what you really want in your life. You see yourself as a person who has the ability to change the negative thought into a positive thought without hesitation. Positive feelings increase health, happiness, and strength. Being positive helps you see the good side of things. The glass is half full rather than empty. All events, whether favorable or not, have a positive side to them and therefore are easier to deal with. You find the positive in all people you deal with. Everyone has positive qualities in them. You now take time to find them. You now take time to list the things in your life that you're thankful for. Take the time to list them one by one, and you'll find that you have much to be positive for. Rather than dwelling on what you can't do or what you don't want, you now only dwell on what you can do and what you do want. You're positive now in all you do. Each time you use this hypnosis program, you relax more easily, more quickly, and more deeply. Relaxation is a skill that you are easily developing with trance. So now, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and then I'll say, fully aware. At the count of 5, your eyes are open, and you are then fully aware, feeling calm, rested, refreshed, and relaxed. right. 1. Slowly, calmly, easily, you are returning to your full awareness once again. 2. Each muscle and nerve in your body is well rested and relaxed, and you feel wonderfully good. 3. From head to toe, you are feeling perfect in every way. Physically perfect, mentally perfect, emotionally calm and serene. 4. Your eyes begin to feel sparkling clear now. And on the next number count, eyelids open, fully aware, feeling calm, rested, refreshed, relaxed, invigorated, and full of energy. Number 5, you're fully aware now. Eyelids open, take a good, deep breath, fill up your lungs, and stretch. Thank you so much for taking this time with me. Remember that regularly listening to this program serves to strengthen your results.